which we have just read now, be approved.
Any second? Duly seconded by the Honorable Nopra and Pacamara.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, any remarks? Yes.
I would like to approach the proponent for some clarification.
Yes, please go ahead.
Another committee report, Mr. Chairman, is
We have not yet approved. There was already
Okay,
a
Mr.
second-
Chairman, no comment on
No comment. The same is approved. Next report, please.
another committee report, Mr. Chairman, dated March 4, 2014, in view of the fact that I was not present during that session because I was on official business. This committee report, Mr. Chairman, contains three items, Mr. Chairman. Number one, this concern about the municipal ordinance number 1 series of 2014 of the municipality of Tinambak, an ordinance amending certain provisions of municipal ordinance number 01 series of 2006 entitled an ordinance providing for administrative fines and penalties. Findings, in view of the absence of a public hearing or hearings conducted for the amendment of the said ordinance, hence the committee finds that the ordinance is beyond the power conferred upon the Sangguniang Bayan. Let it be noted that Section 187, Chapter 6, Republic Act 7160 of the Local Government Code of 1991 shall govern. It is therefore recommended, Mr. Chairman, that this ordinance be declared invalid and is recommended for disapproval. Another ordinance, Mr. Chairman, is ordinance number 027-2013, an ordinance naming the newly constructed two-story public building as Nabwa Public Market. Annex 1, classifying its stalls, regulating its rental fees, goodwill fee, providing for its maintenance and operation, and for other purpose. The said ordinance is hereby considered valid and is recommended for approval. Another item, Mr. Chairman, is the resolution number 13-327, an ordinance approving the donation of 200,000 pesos from the AMDRMC fund to the victims of Typhoon Yolanda, which devastated the Visayan region last November 8, 2013, through the respective provincial or city treasurer, broken down as follows: 100,000 for Eastern Visayas, Eastern Samar Province, and 100,000 for Tacloban City, Province of Leyte. This resolution came from the Sangguniang Bayan of Limana. Recommendation: the resolution is hereby declared valid and is recommended for approval. Mr. Chairman, may I move that this committee report be approved?
Any second? Duly seconded by the Honorable Pacamara. Any other, any comments? Yes.
First of all, Mr. Chairman, for and in behalf of the people of Libmanan, sir, salamat. Salamat kay Atty. Simando. Salamat na marami. Now, Mr. Chairman,
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
verify ko lang po, and let this be on record, Mr. Chairman. May query kay Board Member Simando. Po, nahiling ta po ba kaya ka nakaagi na pag-disapprove ta na, pag-aloy-aloy, mahagad naman na consideration. Attorney, the distinguished gentleman from Gatchtorena, Partido, and whose wife is from Libmanan, inot po, salamat. Apot ko po. Ano po ito naging rekomendasyon mo na pag-aproban mo niya kansang gunang panalawigan? Ano pang finality ka ito? Ilino mo na po, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman, our interim rules adopts the rules of court in supplementary character. Under the rules of court, Mr. Chairman, there should only be one reconsideration. Therefore, Mr. Chairman, it is my considered view that there can be no further motion for reconsideration or resolution seeking a reconsideration. And this approval of the ordinance seeking a reconsideration is final.
Thank you very much po. Copy and clear. Salamat po
Thank you.
marami. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Now, Mr. Chairman, in connection and to be specific, those two resolutions or ordinance cited by, mentioned by Board Member Atty. Simando, Mr. Chairman, medyo po kaya komplikado na talaga nangyayari sa Libmanan. Nag-aadit kami na baka ata din sa pubta, may gibo naman duman. Now, Mr. Chairman, I would like to cite Section 56 of the Local Government Code. Mr. Chairman, under Section 56, letter C, if the Sangguniang Panlalawigan finds that such an ordinance or resolution is beyond the power conferred upon the Sangguniang Bayan concerned, it shall declare such ordinance or resolution invalid in whole or in part. The Sangguniang Panlalawigan shall enter its action in the minutes and shall advise the corresponding city or municipal authorities of the action it has taken. Mr. Chairman, can I make a request po na as soon as possible, maimpormaran ang LGU Libmanan, the Office of the Mayor, the Office of the Vice Mayor, the Office of the Sangguniang Bayan, the Commission on Audit Libmanan, the Department of Interior and Local Government Libmanan, the Municipal Budget Officer, the Municipal Accountant, Office of the Municipal Accountant, Mr. Chairman. Pwede po.
Yes, the Secretary is so directed to immediately inform the concerned officials of the Municipality of Libmanan of the latest decision of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan on the reconsideration that they filed.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, next item please.
The committee report on the Committee on Gender and Development.
The Honorable
Fabio.
Figuration is now recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Committee report on the Committee on Gender and Development. Only one item. Subject Resolution number 411, enacting Municipal Ordinance number 6 of the Municipality of Sipukot, Kamsur, entitled an ordinance providing for a Gender and Development Code of Sipokot, Kamsur, and for other purposes. Date referred, February 27, 2014. Findings, the resolution is enacted within the scope of authority of the prescribed powers conferred upon the Sangguniang Bayan of Sipokot, Kamsur under RA 9710 and RA 7160. Public hearing and posting were duly conducted. Committee recommendation, the resolution ordinance is hereby declared valid and recommends for its approval.
Yeah, any second? Duly seconded by the Honorable Noble, Honorable Simando, and Honorable Pacamara. Any remarks, objection? The chair hears none. The same committee report is hereby approved and adopted.
The joint committee reports of the Committee on Higher and Technical Education, Committee on Basic Education, and the Committee on Laws and Review.
Who will do the reporting? The Honorable Noble is recognized.
In behalf of Honorable Simando, committee report under joint committee report under higher education and for review. It is pertaining to the resolution under joint resolution, Committee on Higher and Technical Education, Committee on Laws in Review, Resolution number 14, series of 2013, and resolution unanimously approving the RN attached Municipal Ordinance number 07, series of 2013, entitled An Ordinance Preventing Prohibiting School truancy to ensure class attendance among elementary pupils in high school students in assuring their right to education in the municipality of Del Gallego, Camarines Sur. Findings, it has been provided in Action 447 of Local Government Code of 1991. Hence, the resolution is within the scope and powers vested upon the Sangguniang Bayan. Recommendation, the Joint Committee hereby declare the resolution valid and is recommended for approval. I move for the approval, Mr. Chairman.
And a second, duly seconded by the Honorable Simando and Pacamara. Any remarks, objection? There being none, the same committee report is hereby adopted and approved.
The Committee on Health,
The committee report
the
on
Committee of
Committee on Health, the Honorable Figuration.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Under committee report, Committee on Health, Sanitation, Nutrition, Population, and Social Services, 3 items. Item number 1, Resolution number 540, Municipal Ordinance number 11, Sipukot Kamsur, an ordinance creating the Municipal Nutrition Council of Municipality of Sipukot, Camarines Sur, tracking number TN 1085. Findings, the resolution ordinance is enacted within the scope of authority of the prescribed powers conferred upon to the SB Sipukot Kamsur under RA 7160. Committee recommendation, the resolution ordinance is hereby declared valid and the committee recommends for its approval. Item number 2, resolution number 541, Municipal Ordinance number 12 of Sipukot Kamsur, entitled the Local Expanded Health Board Ordinance of Sipukot Kamsur. Findings, the resolution ordinance is enacted within the scope of authority of the prescribed powers conferred upon to SB Sipukot Kamsur under RA 7160. Committee recommendation, the resolution ordinance is hereby declared valid and committee recommends for its approval. Item number 3, Ordinance number 2014-01008 of Bula Kamsur, an ordinance establishing certain policies in the enrollment of qualified indigents of the municipality of Bula Kamsur under indigent sector component of the National Health Insurance Program and creating the PhilHealth Capitation Fund from the proceeds of the outpatient consultation and diagnostic benefit package to be provided by PhilHealth. The ordinance is enacted within the scope authority of the prescribed powers conferred upon to SB Sipukot Kamsur under RA 7160. The ordinance is hereby declared valid and committee recommends for its approval, Mr. Chair.
Any second? Unanimously seconded. The same committee report is hereby approved and adopted.
the Committee report of the Committee on Finance and Appropriation.
The report of the Honorable Warren Senior.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. There's only one item, Mr. Chairman. This with regards to an ordinance creating the position of Provincial Government Assistant Department Head under the Camarines Sur Information Technology Center, CSITC, and providing funds therefore. The recommendation, Mr. Chairman, of the committee is that after listening to the brilliant ideas of Honorable Naval, Mr. Chairman. The committee has considered these points, Mr. Chairman, and after thorough evaluation thereof, Mr. Chairman, the committee finds that the said ordinance is in order, thus thereof declares it valid. However, the funding requirements should be included in a supplemental budget, which should be considered a supplemental budget number 1. So I move for its approval, Mr. Chairman.
Any second? Duly seconded by the Honorable Nopra and Simando. Any objection? Remarks? If there is none, the same resolution is approved and
Business-
adopted.
Business for the day. The inclusion of Honorable Pacamara.
The inclusion of the Honorable Pacamara. The Honorable Pacamara is now recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. This humble representation and Chairman of the Committee on Labor, Manpower and Development and OFW so decide to request Honorable Miguel Luis Villaferte to establish an OFW help desk in the provincial government and to direct all local chief executive in the province of Kamsur to do the same for the following reason, Mr. Chairman. Under the Local Government Code of the Philippines states that it is the policy of the state to provide full and equally of employment opportunities to all and to protect every citizen desiring to work locally or overseas, securing for him excellent terms of employment, conditions, and protecting the good name of our country overseas. Take note that, Mr. Chairman, illegal recruitment and human trafficking in the Philippines are the most new and greatest perennial crimes and injustices committed by illegal recruiters. And for the information of the body, the province of Kamsur has the majority of number of OFW in the entire Bicol region as of 2013. And at least 1/4 of them were victims. In the Bicol region, we do have 58,590, and out of which 24,832 are from the province of Kamsur, and 13,570 of which are females working as domestic helpers sa Hong Kong, UAE, and Saudi Arabia. Sa Saudi po. Tapos 11 of which are male. Hence, the thrust of the current administration is to provide employment to its constituents locally and overseas by conducing its own job fairs, but with emphasis to their welfare. This humble representation, Mr. Chairman, conducted research and surveys as to the number of victims of this so-called perennial problem of illegal recruitment and human trafficking. Most of them belong to the lower class of the society, but wanted to uplift the lives of their families. With this, Mr. Chairman, I move for the approval of resolution number 1186, resolution requesting the Honorable Governor Miguel Luis Mix R. Villaferte to establish an OFW help desk in the provincial government and to direct all local chief executive in the province of Camarines Sur to do the same and to post at the conspicuous places the list of recruitment agencies who are accredited and blacklisted to intensify the campaign and to totally eradicate, if not, to lessen the victims of illegal recruitment and human trafficking.
Duly seconded by the Honorable Nopra and Simando. Any remarks, objection? There being none, the same resolution is approved.
The inclusion of Honorable Naval.
The inclusion of the Honorable Naval.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. This is just an amendment or adjustment of title with regards to our previous resolution 244. This is to conform with the proposed bill of Honorable Maria Leonora G. Robredo, our Congresswoman in the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, which is to call for the reclassification of the Kipayo, Bigaas, Fabrica, Lugsad, Kamuning, Mangiring, and Sibao, Carolina Road. So, all one stretch, Mr. Chairman, wherein in our proposed, in fact, approved resolution, we divided that into 3. So we will just include, Mr. Chairman, those straight name so that it conforms with the proposed bill of Congressman Robredo, with Mr. Chairman. So with this, Mr. Chairman, I move for the amendment of resolution number 244 for purposes of changing the title to conform with the present proposed bill of Congresswoman Robredo, Mr. Chairman.
Any second. Duly seconded by the Honorable Simando, Honorable Julia, and Pacamara. Any remarks? Objection? The chair hears none. The same resolution is approved.
Other matters, announcements.
Yes, the Honorable Julia is recognized.
Just an information, Mr. Chairman. Si Satuya gatong surat na pipadara sa opisina ni GMD, like ang PNR, nag-signify na po siya na ma-attend sa tuyong invitation sa March 25. Kung Mr. Chairman, sa tuyong invitasyon, iyon ang sa iyang ginibong panahon para bisitahon isabay nang bisitahon ang probinsya nin Albay asin Sorsogon. Kaya personal ko, Mr. Chairman, pinareceive sa iya asin nagsignify na ma-attend sa tuyang sesyon sa March 25.
So the General Manager of the Philippine National Railways is expected to appear before this August body on March 25 as confirmed by the Honorable Julia. Any other matters you'd like to discuss? Well, if there is none, the chair would like to solicit your suggestions or your feedbacks from the honorable members of this August body. We're continuously upgrading, especially our system, our IT system. Now, if there are comments, feedbacks, we need your feedback so that we can continuously upgrade our system. The computerization process, the documents tracking system is now 70% operational. So we still have to have a fine-tuning so that we can have the 100% utilization of the program. So we need your feedbacks. Like ari po kaningo niya, kung dahil nakakaabot sa inyo ang mga documents. We are not supposed to be giving all of you hard copies of the documents. But please try to look at your email addresses that were given to the Secretariat Office, because all the documents that will be discussed or that is received by the Secretariat, which should be given to all of you, will be sent to you through the email address that you gave the Secretariat. If this system is not happening, please let the presiding officer know so we can take the necessary action. This is one system that we should look into very seriously, because this is the system that we have introduced first in the Bicol region. Kita po na ito mag-computerize, so dapat ma-perfecta na ini. So we need your feedbacks. Just last week, for the information of the honorable body, just last week we sent 23 of our officials and employees of the Sangguniang Palalawigan for the exchange conference, interaction conference in Albay. Their counterparts with Governor Imperial, they had one whole day session. Nag-compare notes kita naman kung ano mga good practices nila na mayo paligid sa Satuya. So, fortunately, initial feedbacks nila, I've not talked to them, pero initial feedback is much ahead ang system paligid sa Camarines Sur than Albay. In fact, they're learning from us. So, but we are continuously learning. Through your help, please give us your feedbacks, your recommendations, so we can put it in. We can input that into our system that we are trying to adapt in the Sangguniang Panlalawigan of Camarines Sur. Thank you. Yes, the Honorable Laban. Yeah, yes.
Sige na ba ni? Yan naman. Banta ka dyan. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Ako po sa party ko as your board member, I would like to congratulate our Vice Governor. Kasi po, kada ako lang kong naresibi, halis sa mga tagalibmanan, here and abroad, Mr. Chairman, Libmananyos worldwide, na-appreciate po nila ang teknolohiyang pig-apply kan Sangguniang Panlalawigan under your leadership, Mr. Chairman. So, ina po ang inaapon nila ang transparency at its best. Tamayo pong naitatago na ihiling kang buong mundo ang ginigibo ka Sangguniang Panlalawigan. Dahil po yan sa imo, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you.
Ganyan po nga po
Dahil po yan sa Toya Gabos, not just because of me.
Okay po.
Sa Toya po yan Gabos.
This afternoon, Mr. Chairman, hundreds of Libmaneños will be coming over for the committee hearing of the Joint Committee on Land Use and Committee on Laws. May I just inquire, Mr. Chairman, because may request na po, and many Libmaneños worldwide or abroad would like to see what will transpire this afternoon. Will that be covered by our
Yes,
technology, Mr.
that
Chairman?
will be covered live.
Thank you
So,
po.
the
And-
system will be on this afternoon so that your kababayans will abroad and locally will be able to witness what will transpire this afternoon.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
And
because-
per your request and request of the majority floor leader and the chairman of the Committee on Land Use, the presiding officer has prepared a simple snack for the attendees this afternoon.
Thank you so much, Mr. Chairman. Dakulaw na bagay po yan. Nakapasyar na digdi, nahiling na kung gulano karahayang pagpadalagan mo po, may foods pa. Salamat po maray. Dagdagan mo, sir.
But we would like to make it clear, it is a very simple snack. Ano, so,
Okay, sir.
pero halo yan sa puso.
Yun po, salamat. Sabi nga ni Kian, si Ato, para sa to. Para sa Libmanan, si Ato pa niya. Thank you po. Salamat. Kaya na digdi.
Thank you, Honorable Napra.
Thank you, Mr. Just for some reminders, Mr. Sir. But before that, it seems that our Vice Governor is, there is a complete upgrading of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan so that the incoming Vice Governor will just sit down and enjoy all the privileges that Vice Governor Ato has
I'm doing
planted.
this for the next Vice Governor.
Anyway, Mr. Chairman, all of us, the provincial board members will be having our national convention. It was delayed, Mr. Chairman, because last year, dapat last year, hindi kaya lang nagkaiwang Yolanda, it was postponed. So, definitely it will be now be conducted this week. So, and I believe also, I heard from the Vice Governor's League that you will be having your own also a league, Vice Governor League conference. So may we request that we postpone our March 18 session. Instead, we have a 25-26 session.
So, if that is the pleasure of the body, then 25 and 26.
Instead of the 18, we postpone it to 25 and 26. Our third and fourth session, Mr. Chairman.
That's fine. Any comments?
Gabos kasi marayo eh.
Okay.
Gabos Cebu.
Sige, okay.
And for next month, Mr. Chairman, we have this Lenten season, Lenten week. So I move to have our session on the 1st, 15, 22, and 29.
Okay, can we flash the calendar?
1, 15, 22, and 29.
1, 15,
I believe, Mr. Chairman,
22, and 29.
yes,
Okay.
our Holy Friday, Good Friday is on the 11th. Holy Week, Mr. Chairman, starts 6 to 12.
Okay. So, if there is no opposition, then we'll have those dates. April 1, 15, 22, and 29. Okay.
No rin manangga, no rin.
16 to 18 ang Holy Week. 16 to 18.
No rin mananggadang. Ano, I thought, Mr. Chairman, it
13.
Ah?
13 to 18 ang Holy Weekend o 18 to 19?
13 to 18 ang Holy Week.
Ah.
So it will be 1, 8, 22, and 29, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, so 1, 8, 22, and 29. Okay. So, yes, the Honorable Pacamara.
Mr. Chairman, I've been a member of this chamber for almost 9 months now. And every time I'm on official business, igagalang po ako ng ID. So may I know now the status of our ID as member of this chamber?
Yes, you were not issued IDs yet?
Yep, no.
You should have been issued IDs. Yes, we're preparing IDs. We can give that to you tomorrow.
Okay, thank you. Thank you,
Please
Mr.
give
Chairman.
us your IDs your pictures, so we can give that to you tomorrow.
So thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Okay,
And with that,
okay.
Mr. Chairman, I encourage my colleagues who are going to Cebu to vote for BM Mirna Romarate.
Okay.
That's all. As president, national president.
There are two candidates. There are two candidates, all liberal, coming from Liberal Party. So,
Would you like to mention the other candidate?
Mr. Laho, BM Laho.
From where? From where?
From Pampanga,
Yes, si Mirna, board member Mirna Romarate,
is
Mr.
from
Chairman.
Cagayan.
From Surigao.
Surigao, yes.
From Surigao.
Yeah.
Our interim president.
Yes, okay.
Today.
So, any other matters? If there is none,
I move to adjourn, Mr. Chairman.
any second? Duly seconded, the session is adjourned. Thank you very much. God bless you all.